Hi, this is Snowy with another story for you out of my book, Snowy. Don't think yourself better than anyone else. Philippians chapter 2 and verse 3 out of the Bible says, "Don't be jealous or proud, but be humble and consider others more important than yourselves." I always used to think that donkeys were not as good as us horses. We are bigger, stronger, and much faster. So I used to think that we were better than weak, old donkeys. But then one Christmas, I heard Farmer Angus read about how a donkey carried Mary all the way to Bethlehem when baby Jesus was still in Mary's tummy. Farmer Angus said that donkeys are very humble and obedient. He also said that they are loving and loyal. Not long ago, I also learned that it was a young donkey that carried Jesus into Jerusalem before he died on the cross. I heard it said that if you look carefully at a donkey's back, you can see a cross. There is a dark line running down their backs and one across their shoulders. Isn't that amazing? Donkeys might not be as fast as horses, but God has used donkeys for very important jobs in the Bible. I learned that I must not be proud and think myself better than others. God can use anyone who loves Him and is obedient, no matter what others might think of them.